Let's have a look at 17th. The train traveled a certain distance at a uniform speed. So let's say suppose the speed was s, the time was t. So the distance will turn out to be s into t. This is a basic equation. Had the speed been 6 kilometers per hour more, so your speed turns out to be s plus 6. In that case, of course, when you have increased the speed, the time taken would be lesser. It needed 4 hours less. So it will be t minus 4. So even if I multiply s plus 6 multiplied by t minus 4, I should be able to get the same distance, which was s into t originally, correct? Now go further. Had the speed been 6 kilometers per hour less, now you are reducing the speed by 6. So time is of course going to increase and it would need 6 more hours given on the question. So it will become t plus 6. So what are we going to get? We are going to get s minus of 6 into t plus of 6. Just a second. S minus of 6. S minus of 6 into t plus of 6. That should be equals to the distance, right? So let's try to work the equations. So st should be equals to this distance, which I'm writing it as st minus of 4s plus of 60 minus of 24, right? st and st will get cancelled out. So I have my first equation, which says 60 minus of 4s, which is equals to 24. Divide this value by 2. You are going to get 3t minus of 2s is equals to 12. That's my first equation, right? Now, by now, I understand that if I equate st with this equation over here, this is also going to yield one value for me, right? So what is that equation? St plus of 6 times of s minus of 6 times of t minus of 36 must be equals to st. So st and st will get cancelled out. 6 is also something that you can cancel. So what will you get? S minus t is equals to 6. This is my second equation. Using these two equations, I can find the value of s and t and then can find the distance as well. So let me multiply this equation by 3 and use it with this. So I'll get minus 3t plus of 3s is equals to 18. That's my second equation, right? Now, if I add the two equations, what is going to happen? This will get cancelled out. What will we have over here? S. And 18 plus 12 is going to be what? 30. So my value of S turns out to be equals to 30. If my value of S turns out to be equals to 30, put it in any equation. 30 minus of 6 must be equals to T, which is equals to what? 24. So the time period will be equals to 24. They're asking you the distance S into T, which is 24 into 30, should give me the answer, which is 720. Option C, 720 should be the correct answer.